Hi everyone! So ngayon may pupuntahan kaming ilog ulit. Napuntahan ko na to before pero ngayon maliligo kami sa ilog dahil mainit. So kasama ko si Gemma at saka si Nelia. So andito kami ngayon sa Tulay na Busog. Maliligo kami sa ilog. Tara! So si Gemma first time niya dito sa Tulay na Busog. Gemma!
Side to side until my trouble come alive. Can't wait, the sun is shining, the sails in full of moon tide. There's a stream telling me
dito lang ako sa may ilog lang. Ang sarap tumira dito. Ano lang siya, kahit mainit, anong oras yan? Mga alas 3, alas 2. Pero hindi masyadong nararamdaman yung init dahil malamig yung tubig. Tapos, ayan. Nakaka-relax yung agos ng ilog. Mamaya maliligo tayo dito kahit wala kaming dalang damit.
Wait to bury the roots of my mistakes, to only keep the truth in me. There's a treasure out there.
Ano yan? Hipon, patingin. Yan, may nahuling hipon si Nestor. May atag dyan, anong hipon? Akta. Akta. Nakakain?
Oo naman. Tabo itlog.
Ha? Manghuli tayo.
Laga yan.
Feels like love, Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking electric, trying to stay calm and collected. On that summer afternoon, you were shining like a gem in the sunlight. We were out until midnight, yeah. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? I said, girl, you read my mind. Oh, yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure.
So, sobrang lamig. Kakaahon lang namin dito sa ilog. Sobrang lamig pero nakaka-enjoy. Kasi yung tubig doon mainit, pero pag-aapon mo dahil sobrang mahangin. Ang lamig. So, itong lugar na to, dito sa Tulay na Puso, pwede ito pumunta yung mga turista, tapos yung mga gusto mag-camping din, pwede rin. Kasi ang tahimik, sobrang